Looking to escape the city buzz but still crave adventure? Then this Gunnison gem is for you. Picture yourself in a dream mountain home nestled inGunnison's captivating wilderness. At 3750 County Road 737, your 40-acre haven borders BLM land, offering endless outdoor adventures like ATV riding, hiking, and snowmobiling. Inside, enjoy mountain comfort with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a bonus room, and a 4-car garage. The kitchen is a chef's dream with its large island, double sinks, and double oven. Step outside to a large deck, perfect for gatherings or soaking in serene mountain views. Relax in the hot tub under the stars with the soothing sounds of Carbon Creek below. Enjoy fly fishing in Carbon Creek, which runs through the property. This is more than a home, it's a lifestyle. Plus, it's only 20 minutes from Gunnison and a short drive to Crested Butte. Contact Kelsey Loftus for an exclusive tour at 970-784-6768.